We are at Ikea.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are here to experience the wonder and beauty that is Ikea. Thank you, Swedish people.
I appreciate the Swedes and what they did for our country.
Yes.
They died for our sins.
And for our storage as well. Very creative. Like, look at this. Look at that. They died for that. Someone died making that. Did you know every piece you see in this building, someone gave their life to make that? He's coming. He's coming.
Okay, we've got to stop.
Wait, now I'm thinking. I'm coming. I'm coming on me. On me. You're stupid.
Yeah, you are.
Oh fuck. So the state of your taxes, really awful. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I've known about it.
Yeah, I actually, the IRS is coming.
I got what I came for. This is the first thing I've been wanting for a long time. I have the little one that's like this tall. Now I have the matching one.
Period. I have a confession to make. Out of all of the sections in IKEA, kitchen, it's just too much. Too much for me. It's overwhelming. There's too many things. That's my confession. Okay, bye.
I'm reorganized. And I can carry more stuff more efficiently now.
I'm helping. Why are you taking a selfie here? Alright. You convinced me. My second confession is that I love the bathroom section.
Oh. I do too.
It's so creative.
But I like it.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a towel.
Looking for a towel. My phone sticks on my nightstand because it is metal.
Let's update them. Yes. This circular bath mat with these alternating colored nubs. We already have a circular bath mat, so this is perfect. I'm getting a microwave cover and this pan. I've now also picked up this yoga mat. It was only $5.
And I'm still holding this.
Okay, this rug. Look at the texture, the ridges. It's super thick. Rub it. Yes.
Come on.
We've got a cart, ladies and gentlemen.
Excuse me, me and my child are just shopping.
We found this candle holder. It's chrome, and I got orange candles for it.
I also have an update. Every probably 5 minutes, Pono has been saying, oh, I wish I had a medium cart.
I probably said it 20 times.
20 million billion times. We're going to the clearance section. Does my hair look good from the back?
I don't know.
Actually, don't show me that. I don't want to know.
What are you here for?
A good time. This is awful.
Is it?
Is it crispy?
The wickedest witch there ever was.
The enemy of all of us.
Here it was, is. Leaving.
But first, Pono is going to put the cart away. Thanks, Pono. Second, we are going to try this pretzel. We're trying the pretzel.
Oh.
Okay, presentation. 8. Very standard pretzel.
9. Cold though.
Very cold. And a little hard. Well, it's a pretzel. It is 70 degrees in San Diego right now. Period.